All right, so we're back. Um, we're going to start like we always start with the disclaimer. I have absolutely nothing for sale. I have no affiliates, no links. I don't monetize this. I don't want your money. I don't want anyone else's money. I don't want any partnerships with anyone. Go fuck yourselves. I have my own shit. I like trading. I like talking about trading. This is what I do. Been doing it my whole life. Never had any other type of job. And I do this to keep myself accountable, meet other traders. Because honestly, it can be a lonely job as well. Like, if you don't like look for some kind of community or whatever, you're just by yourself all the time trading. You're all by yourself. Anyways, looking at the news, GOP tax bill, that's definitely something SPY is gonna react to. Um, and the some trade deals by Trump. This is the one involving Canada, I believe. This could create fears if the tariffs aren't extended. SPY is gonna dump. That's gonna be very good for us. Secrecy loss, Titan war temperature. Yeah, it doesn't matter for shit. There's nothing big on the news. Only this thing right here. I could make SPY drop. Anyways, here is the trade that I posted in the Discord for that was a final trade for last week, and it's just going its way. It's not looking too good right now, and I'm not gonna start entering trades till tomorrow because tomorrow is July, and in July my monthly target resets, so I can start trading again. I went through everything, and there is nothing really much interesting. And with that said, I want to drop a little bit of wisdom. I'm talking about that. When you're going through a lot of pairs, right? You're going through all of this and all of this and all of this. Oh, I need to trade. I need to trade. I need to trade. No, you don't. Being able to walk away is more important than being able to take good trades because it's all about discipline, sticking to your rules, following your checklist, having proper bankroll management, following your risk management, following the TA plan that you know works, or else it's not gonna work. Because trading itself is not really that hard. Like, I don't have all these oscillators and stuff and like some SR areas and looking for reversals and indecision candles. It's not super intricate. But the psychology part is what breaks everyone. Overtrading is a big problem, becoming obsessive with it. I've seen all of it, and it's just a lack of self-control. Here's a potential I see. This pair's a shit spread though. Let me see what kind of art I can get on it. I think that's gonna be shitty R. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, that's a shit. No, absolutely nothing. Anyways, these are very interesting because these are forming on the 1 day. If you're looking at a trade on the 12 hour and you get confirmation on the 1 day, the higher the time frame, the more accurate the hold up, let's see. The more accurate that the signals you're given are, which is something that's very nice. We have had a similar reaction here though, so I'm gonna be looking at this one. Hmm. It's not extremely good, but it's valid. Yeah. I'm gonna put a stop order in for this one and put a very strict dynamic SL on it. If you don't have a dynamic SL, just move it yourself. Don't if this drops, just dump it out. Cut the loss. This one is more interesting. Wow. I want to see how this candle closes, but there's already an indecision on it. But it might be congesting for a breakthrough as well. But if it closed like this would be a very nice trade. Yeah, that could be very nice. There's a very nice potential. But I would wait for the 1 day to close on this one. And also on this one, you could look for a continuation because this pair is off the hooks. Just insane. Yeah, those are the two potentials I've seen. I might not take this one. I'll update it in the Discord. I'll see how it develops. Kind of think about it. This one though, very, very, very interesting. And that's it really, from what I can see is interesting on the charts. And let me tell you as well, some weeks there's nothing. Months actually, especially in July when traders at banks are on vacation and that kind of stuff, and the AI is running very idle, and it's not that many people making sure the AI is doing what it's supposed to do, and all of that with the big banks. And also retail traders are also on vacation now, um, which means they're actually trading more, which makes things less predictable. Even though with SPY they're very predictable. Panic, yay, buy, scared, drop, buy, sell, buy, sell. It's very weird owning a fund. If I if my fund say does 16% a month, no, a year. I don't do 16% a month on my long-term fund. No way. If it does 16% in a month, my average investor will probably average, I don't know, half of that, 8%. Because when it drops down a little bit, they sell, and when it goes up, they buy, and then they sell when it drops. They panic sell. I don't understand them, even though there's like years and years and years of consistent profit. But I guess that's kind of just human nature. And in that sense, you have to fight human nature when you're trading this. Yeah, this one's probably gonna crash. Huh. Anyways, that's it for now. Looking very interesting. I'll post these in Discord. Thank you for watching, and we'll be back soon.